Welcome. In front of me I have Anker PowerConf S3 MS, and I'll go over unboxing along with just a quick look at it. So obviously this is not designed for typical people. It is designed for conference calls. So if you have like an office, that's obviously what you'd be using that for. Which, to be completely honest, I probably won't be the greatest person to look at this, considering I have never been in a business meeting. So let's see if I can find it. There we go. So inside we have download the Anker Work app. So it uses some kind of app to actually function. Now I don't know if it's actually mandatory. Download the Anker Work app to connect your device, switch modes, update firmware, and much more. Hope it's not mandatory, otherwise that's a bit annoying. Next we have a Type C to Type A cable, and obviously the speaker slash microphone slash whatever you want to call it in this nice little carrying pouch. Taking it out, go. I have a couple ports, Type A, so power out, auxiliary out, and USB-C. And here we have a couple buttons like muting, volume up, down, picking up calls, Teams, as it is compatible with Microsoft Teams. That's kind of one of the things that they're advertising right here. There we go at the bottom. It also has a 360 voice coverage for up to 8 people, 6 mics for superior voice pickup, and 24-hour talk time. So there we go. Now physically, the thing is relatively small, as you can see. Touch this, not really touch display, but like touch surface right here with a couple printouts on it, logo, and the speaker, along with most likely microphones all around. Oh no, mics are here. So speaker up here is covered with this mesh. Not sure if you like the mesh or not. Usually these things kind of get grimy after some time, and because it's mesh, it's kind of difficult to clean. But if you just use it for calls and then put it in the pouch, obviously this would mostly mitigate the problem. So there we go. Oh, and one more thing, the buttons. We have Bluetooth and power on. And does it have built-in battery? Indeed it does. So there we go. And I think it's trying to connect to something, but there's nothing to connect to, so I'm just gonna turn it off. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.